building your website fast with Hostinger's AI tool. In today's Hostinger tutorial, we'll discuss and go through the process of ensuring your website is ready before your pizza has arrived. You're going to come over to hostinger.com, and over here all you need to do is just simply go ahead and sign up. If you scroll down below, you can see that they have these 3 plans right here, and you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. Click on website builder, scroll down, and we can see that this is the amount that we'll have to pay, and all we have to do is just simply buy the plan and we are good to go. All right, so once you have logged in or signed up, this is how it's gonna look like. If you are signing up for the first time, it's gonna be a little bit different, but don't worry, all you have to do is just simply go into websites, right? Depending on the plan that you have, you would already have a free domain, but it depends on you. If you don't have a domain, you can just simply go ahead and click on domains, get a new domain, transfer an existing one as well, or you can search one right here. But you can get a domain afterwards as well. It's not necessary for building a website. You can get a domain after that once your website is done and you're about to launch. Let's go ahead and click on websites, and here we'll create a website. Start now. Here are 2 options: create or migrate a website. We're gonna choose create a new website. We're gonna select, and over here WordPress with AI or Hostinger Builder with AI, depends on you. Let's go ahead and select Hostinger for this video. Click on that, and now we have to choose a domain. You can even skip this as well. You can choose a domain later. It will provide you with a free domain right here. You can skip this, select a domain that you already have, or buy a new one. It depends on you. Skip it, and here you can go ahead and use the AI to create your website. Start creating. Type in the brand name that you have, website type, and describe your website. Okay, after you've filled it out, you just simply have to click on create a website. Let me actually change this to online store, and then we'll just simply click on create a website. Let the AI do its thing and just sit back, relax. There you go. As you can see, this is how the website will look like. You can go ahead and scroll down and see how it looks like. I didn't do anything. This was all AI. All I had to do was just describe my website and it did its own thing. As we can see, it did a pretty good job. You can leave it as it is, but if you want to go ahead and change some elements, let's say you want to change this icon, right? You just simply click on it and click on edit image, and you can go ahead and choose the style, the action, shape, animation if you want to have an animation as well. Right now we have this image right here. You just simply click on the image or documents or select free images and simply search for an image that you want. Let's say we want to have a ice cream. Now we just simply choose, it depends on you. Select this image right here and we'll click on add to page, and it will be replaced like so. Now let's say you want to change the background section. So you just simply click on edit section, simply select the background, select it as a color or image. If you select the color, you can go ahead and change the color to whatever you want: gray, white, black, darker black. It depends on you, but for now we'll just simply keep it white. If you want to change it to an image, you can do that as well by clicking on add an image right here, and again going over here and selecting a free image. It depends on you. You can also change the layout of it as well by increasing the rows and the gaps between them as well. Generally speaking, this is how you do it. Type in the description of your website, change the images and maybe even the sections or headings you want. If you want to change the headings, you can go ahead and select AI Writer, write a paragraph of what you want, and it will generate a text as well. Generally speaking, this is how you can create a stunning looking website within minutes using the AI tools provided by Hostinger. There are other tools as well, such as the AI logo maker, the heat maps, and the writer as well. Let's say you want to create a logo for this website. Select the AI tools right here, select logo maker. It will open up in another tab, and you just simply add in the brand name, and then down below we just add in our description, and then we just simply click on start generating. We have to wait approximately 25 seconds and we should be good to go. You can even change the type of logo you want. You can go with an abstract, precise, 3D. Let's go with 3D. We have some options, but this was for the abstract icon, so we are out of credits, but for now you get the general idea. We now have a few logos to start with. Let's go ahead and select this one for now. We'll just simply select it and download it. You can go ahead and see the examples have here. Download the logo, save it on your drive, and then you can come back here and select the header. You can click on add element and add it, and click on edit header, you can add different styles to it as well. We'll go ahead and click on add header, select logo. Instead of using these, just simply upload the logo. We are good to go. Then we just simply select it. We have it right here, but it's actually pretty small, so we're gonna have to go with a bigger one. There you go. But this is actually quite big, so lower it down. I think that looks good. Generally speaking, this is how you do it, guys. You can add more written content as well by using the AI writer. You just simply click on the AI writer and you can add a topic as well and generate text, copy paste it over here onto your website wherever you want. You can add different sections within the website itself. So let's say we want to have a section between the face and the bottom section right here. Click on add section and we can go ahead and select the section that we want. These are different types of sections we can have. It depends on you. This is the about section. You can add a gallery or a contact form, slideshows, social icons as well, videos as well. You can add testimonials if you want to add them. There's also the online store. Let's say we want to have a special product list, so we'll just simply click on the product list and now we have some different types of products, and over here you can just simply go ahead. So we want to change the icons of the products, right? So we just simply select the section. Down below we can showcase all products. We have layouts as well, style, pagination, and we can add to add button as well. Change the logos. Come over here onto the left hand side, select the online store option, and here you will have all of your products. You can click on manage store to add more products if you want. Product images, we just simply select more and click on edit product. It'll take us to the store manager where we can go ahead and change logo as well, and over here you add in the store name, you add in the store location, and you should be good to go. For now we'll just skip this since you can do it easily on your own. It's not that hard. But once you are finished with your website, all you have to do is just preview it one more time. Let's go ahead and preview the website. So this is the website, how it would look like if I go ahead and visit it, and I can go ahead and change stuff, add if I want to, but generally speaking this looks very, very good. And then you just simply click on go live to make your website live, fill out a few details, and you should be good to go. So that is how you do it. That is how you create stunning looking website in just 10 minutes or using the AI tool provided by Hostinger. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment to keep learning with us, and watch these other videos related to Hostinger as well.